Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Many Android users, especially those with Samsung devices, don't know that charging their phone every day has a significant effect on their battery life. When you charge your phone every single day, you are likely to have some battery issues over time. Now, I'll show you how to make your battery last longer and save its life so you can conserve your battery. I'm going to guide you step by step on how to do this on your phone. First, turn on your phone and swipe down on your screen. You will see options such as Wi-Fi and Bluetooth in the notification bar. However, we're not focusing on that right now. Swipe down again and you will see many options spread across multiple pages. I have up to 3 pages here. If you swipe down with all your fingers, all the options will show at once without revealing the first one in the notification bar. Once you get to the options, you can see that the power saving mode is toggled on, but that's not what we want to set here. We will scroll to the next page and look for the sync option. Syncing your phone can enhance the battery life of the device. If the sync feature is toggled on, I won't have to charge my phone every single day. However, many other Android users may not see this option when they swipe down. I will show you how to add it if you don't see it on your phone. What you need to do is click on Add. You will see menus below that show specific features that are hidden. If you want to add it to this area, look for Sync. All you need to do is press and hold it, then drag it to your desired location. I won't do that now because I already have it on my list. So I'll go back and toggle on the sync option. Once you do that, swipe up to leave your phone idle. Your battery will last longer than expected and you won't need to charge it every day anymore. That's it, guys. With that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and if you are new here, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.